You've likely come across a sketch that caught your imagination, maybe an interior layout, a garden concept, or a tattoo idea. But turning that simple drawing into a vivid, realistic image isn't always easy, but now easier than ever. Another area where ChatGPT comes into play. It's a creative assistant that can transform a rough idea, a messy sketch, or even a few words into a detailed prompt, ready for AI art tools. Why is this important? Because most image AIs need very specific instructions to generate high-quality results. Let's look at some real-world examples where this workflow shines. First, I'll try some of my old creations. All of this was 100% handmade. I used the simple prompt, render a realistic image, and few words from the image. In this case, a man walking with a dog. The result speaks for itself, and you don't need to write a 300-word prompt. Just keep it simple. I tried it on some of my arts. Here are the results. Let's see some examples step by step. Let's say you have an interior design sketch that you love. Maybe you created it yourself or found it online. Now you want to visualize it as a realistic image. Just upload the sketch to ChatGPT, switch to image generation mode, and add a short prompt. Be sure to include keywords like realistic or render, along with a few descriptive words about the image you uploaded. And just hit the enter, and the magic is happening. Another area where it can be useful is to present tattoo designs to the client, even in the client's own selfie. Let's take an example. You're a tattoo artist, and your client wants this design on their left shoulder, but they're unsure how it will look in the end. By uploading the sketch and adding a simple prompt, you can instantly generate a realistic visual preview that helps them decide with confidence. Maybe this will help him decide. If you want to use your client's photo, the process is just as simple. Upload both the tattoo design and the client's photo, then add your prompt, and you'll get a realistic preview with the design placed exactly where it should be. Another great example is garden design. It's always helpful to see what your dream garden could look like before you start investing time and money into building it. The steps are the same as before. Upload sketch, short prompt, hit the enter, and done. These were just a few examples and a quick demonstration of how you can turn simple sketches into realistic images using ChatGPT. Whether it's for design, art, or personal projects, this tool can help bring your ideas to life. From here on, it's all up to your creativity. The possibilities are nearly endless. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more AI creativity with Aura Vision. Thanks for watching. See you in next time.